I'm expecting a good weather and happy people.
Kasi simula nung makilala ko naman siya, alam ko namang agad, siya agad yung gusto ko, hanggang dulo. So, yun pa rin yung goal ngayon. At finally, mapapakasalan ko na siya sa church. Napakaswerte ko kay Anne.
Kasi nung nag-propose pa lang yun, ni-ready ko na yung vow. Pero kada may moment, I wanna write it. Lalo pa nagka-baby kami. So yung ano ba yun? Ano yung sa vow na in sickness and in health. Kasi CS ako. So it was a hard recovery, but then with the help of Daryl, look at me now, like super strong na and ready to walk down the aisle.
Sobrang swerte ko kay Anne. Hindi ko alam eh. Siguro, mararamdaman mo na lang yun, yung sobrang saya mo, sobrang kontento mo. Yun. Sabi nga, wala nang hihilingin pang iba. Yun siguro. Yung pag-iyak na to, hindi ko alam kung saan siyang lumalabas. Masaya lang siguro talaga.
2017, dapat ikakasal ako. Yung with my 10-year relationship, pero hindi natuloy because hindi niya ako pinakasalan. Hindi natuloy. Everything was ready, ganyan. So now I know the reason why. Because hindi kami yung meant to be, and it was Daryl na binigay ni Lord sa akin.
Through tired eyes I see you so.
Daryl, months before you came into my life, dasal ako ng dasal kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ready na ako ulit. Baka pwede mo nang ipakilala sa akin yung ilalaan mo para sa akin. Sabi nila, kapag nagdadasal ka daw, you have to be specific. Ang dasal ko, Lord, kahit wala ng flowers, o kung ano mang pagpapakilig, basta mabait at may takot sa Diyos.
So no matter if our blue skies turn to...
Okay, mahal. Pasensya na at ito naman yung gift ko, but I treasure this a lot. This symbolizes my love for you. I want to lock you and Dylan in the locket as symbol of my love. I love you both to infinity and beyond. Mahal.
That's nice.
Our family picture.
We made it.
Best
What a
gift
journey
ever.
it has been to finally say we made it. Mabilis at napakadaming nangyari bago tayo nakadating dito. Pero since day one, alam kong dito tayo papunta. Nagsimula nung makita kita sa Pi Studio. Sa isip ko nung dumaan ka, what if ito kaya yung mapapangasawa ko? Sa tulong ng tuksuhan ng mga kaibigan, now we're here. Thank you, Lord.
You and me, we are
Sa lahat, of course sa lahat, kasi everything. Simula kabata hanggang nagka-baby, you were there. Ikaw yung pinaka-present and hands-on person I know. I love you.
No matter what may come, we'll have a
Thank you. Naiyak agad.
I was lost on a road, heading nowhere without you.
Hi, Mal.
Didn't know all that my heart was missing.
Our future is bright. You need to wear this. See you later. I love you.
Then I looked in your eyes.
1, 2, 3.
Folks started
Hey! Thank you, Mal. I love you, Mal.
winter to spring.
We made it.
I could finally
Kakabal na tayo.
the way. I believe in love again. Lord have mercy, I can't breathe now that you stand next to me. You make me feel.
I promise to always understand you and to choose you every day. Ikaw ang at ang anak natin.
We really made it, Mahal. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Dylan palagi. I love you to infinity and beyond.